Okay. Okay, so let's go through some of the questions. Okay, so for the first question, right, that we are going to go through, this is the question on the seed leaf and the seedling. Okay, so the mass of the seed leaf will decrease. So the mass of the seed leaves will decrease. Question answer is 2. And the mass of the seedling will increase. So the mass of the seedling will increase, but the mass of the seed leaf will decrease. So answer is 2. Okay, for this. Then next. So this question is saying about the number of wings, right? So for question 9, what should Yusuf do to ensure the experiment? So there's only one thing that he needs to do to ensure the experiment. He should repeat the experiment 3 times. He couldn't control the length of X. He couldn't measure the time for the fruit to land also. So um next question it would be 18. Okay, so as the exposed surface area increases, right, this is a increasing graph. This is called an increasing graph. So as the exposed surface area increase, the rate of evaporation will increase. Okay, so answer is number 2. Okay, because you see, if it's a bowl of like maybe 10 cm cube, right, square, right, the exposed surface area, versus another one that is 20 cm square, right. So the rate of evaporation for the bigger surface area will evaporate faster. So if the surface area is 10, there will be 10 cm cube evaporating, maybe cm square. Then if it's 20 cm cube square, there will be 20 cm cube evaporating. So the bigger the surface area, this is always increasing number, and here is also always increasing number. As the exposed surface area increase, the rate of evaporation also increase. So the next one, question 20, right? Hanging out a towel to dry, water becomes water vapor, evaporation. Water become ice in a freezer, become freezing. Water vapor become water droplets because water droplets forming in the glass surface, right? So it will be condensation. So for question 22 is A is evaporation, C is condensation. Metal is a better conductor of heat, so the F coin will drop first. Being a better conductor of heat is also a better absorber of heat. So for question 26, right, they are balanced means they have the same mass. The inflated balloon and the wooden block have the same mass. Okay, they have different volume from looking. So the second one, the air escape, right? So it's proof that air occupies space because an air has mass, because now the wooden block has more mass than the deflated balloon. So the air that escape have mass, and you see the balloon becoming smaller, so air also occupies space. Then the third one, inflated balloon has the same mass as the wooden block because it's shown that they are balanced. Okay.